Is Alethea Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token, ALI, worth the risk Friday? Investors Observer Analysis gives Alethea Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token an average risk assessment. The proprietary scoring system calculates how much money was required to move the price over the past 24 hours with changes in volume and market capitalization to discover if a crypto can potentially be easily manipulated by limited trading activity. Low values representing high risk, while high scores equate to low risk based on a 0 to 100 range. Hi guys, crypto investing here. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's continue. Trading analysis. ALI's current risk score means it is a relatively moderate risk investment. Investors primarily concerned with risk assessment will find this score most useful in order to avoid, or potentially seek out, risky investments. The price of Alethea Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token is 27.79% lower over the last 24 hours, leading to its current value of $0.0315977068. The change in price goes along with volume being below its average level, while the token's market capitalization has risen during the same time period. The crypto's market capitalization is now $21,961,042.73, meanwhile $523,259.83 worth of the currency has been traded over the past 24 hours. The volatility in price relative to the changes in volume and market cap changes give Alethea Artificial Liquid Intelligence Token an average risk analysis. In conclusion, recent price movement of ALI gives the cryptocurrency an average risk score due to past 24 hours of price volatility in relation to volume changes, giving traders reason to be not overly concerned on the token's manipulability at the moment. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.